everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. I'm going to be using the Yupo card today. This is our Lavinia Stamps. This is a premium Yupo card. It's a 272 GSM, so it's quite thick. We use the card simply because when we're putting any kind of heat onto it, it withstands it far better than the paper. However, I wouldn't really recommend using a heat gun. You can, by all means, but you have to be really careful about it starting to shrink and move. I tend to use this, which is a Babyliss air dryer. It does come with a brush attachment, but it's quite good in that it's got a very small nozzle, and you can direct the air in a particular area rather than it going everywhere. So that's the reason why I use this, and I can put it on just a low setting. Now, although it throws out a little heat, it's nothing as powerful as a heat gun. So that's the reason why I use these. I think I picked this up in Argos. I can't remember how much it was, about £20. So if you like this technique and you want to have a go, you know, I always recommend this little gadget here for moving your ink around. But if you've got a hairdryer already, by all means try it with that first. Okay, so I'm going to pick a couple of colours. This is our alcohol ink, so I'm going to use Stream. You only need a very small amount for this effect, and then I'm going to pick Oregano. Now, I have no idea what these colours look like together. I haven't tried it yet, so. And then this is your alcohol blending solution. I've just popped that into a small container with a fine nozzle, but this is the one that I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to move these colours around just to get them started. You can always add more colour as we go along. Now, I know some of you have asked me if you can do this effect on photo paper. You can do alcohol inks on all sorts of papers and surfaces, but you won't get exactly the same technique, the same finish, should I say, with the Yupo card. It really does give far more movement than the photo card, but you can still get an effect with the photo card, so by all means try it. Okay, so I'm working my way around the edge. Okay, so I'm keeping the colour in the centre, and you can see how there's waves starting to appear, and this is the kind of effect we really like. And you can see how quick that dries, because obviously of the alcohol content, it will just evaporate. So to just soften the hard lines down the edge here, I'm just going to use more of the blending solution. And just again move that around, and then use the airdryer again. Okay, so that's just softened that edge there, and I'm going to do the same up here. Okay, and that gives us a fabulous sort of smoky background. Now we can always add more colour to that if we wish. So I might just add a little bit more of the oregano. A bit more of the blending solution. And just move that around. Okay, and I might put another area at the top here as well. I think the colours work quite nicely together actually. But then I think that about most colours with the alcohol inks, it's worth just experimenting and trying different colours. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there for now, and then I'm going to stamp onto that card. This is one half of it. I just simply cut it into 2 pieces, and now we're going to stamp onto that. So I'm using our mushroom set here, which I thought would be quite nice over the top. So I'm going to ink up in the archival. And then I'm just going to bob that down over the top, give it a good firm press. Try not to allow it to slide, and then just ease that off. And then our smaller one. And again, I'm just going to bob that down along the side there. Good firm press. And just peel that off. We've got missed a little bit there, but not to worry. Okay, and then I'm going to use some words, I think, just to go along the edge there. So again, inking up, and I'm just going to get that the right way around, that's for sure. Pop that down. There we go. Okay. So to make these stand out now, I'm going to use the red glaze. Let's have some red spots on our mushroom. This will make it really stand out. Okay, and the next one. I've not actually used these glaze pens before, but I am really liking that effect. Okay, So I think I might put a little bit of a flourish down here as well. So inking up again in the archival. I'm just going to take a little off and then just pop that down there. And I'll just do one more here, see if we can get that gap that I missed. There we go, that's not bad. Okay, well, thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I think that's just a really nice, easy card to create using those fabulous Yupo and alcohol ink backgrounds. Thanks, guys. Take care for now and see you really soon. Bye bye.